Dimensional analysis improves confidence by checking that the units on both sides of a calculation match, revealing mistakes, and often guiding the correct setup. Think of units like labels on boxes that tell you what is inside. So when you do a calculation, you keep track of those labels step by step. If a label does not match at the end, something went wrong. You cancel units the same way you cancel numbers when dividing, and that cancellation shows whether you combine quantities correctly. When converting from one unit to another, you multiply by a conversion factor that equals 1, so the amount does not change and the units transform cleanly. This makes complicated calculations easier because you can follow the labels to see if each step makes sense and stop early when a unit is wrong. A common mistake is ignoring units and assuming the numbers alone tell the whole story, which often leads to wrong answers. Always write units with numbers to avoid this. Another error is using incorrect conversion factors or copying them with inverted units, so check that the factor cancels the units you want to remove. Students also sometimes forget to carry units through every step, so write units on every intermediate line to catch errors quickly. For more videos and practice problems that show dimensional analysis step by step, visit www.gumballdegree.com.